morning student. I am your science teacher Kamal Bakshi. So today I am going to deliver my lecture over the chapter that is fiber to fabric. But before deep rooted into the chapter, I will discuss some basic practical example with you. Whenever we just wear any cloth, like when we went to any shop and shopkeeper offers a variety of clothes, the first thing strike to our mind from where it clothes come. The general answer would be like it comes from factories, but literally it never comes from factory. It's come from the fabric will be made. After that it will take in the major product, that is cloth. So it's a very whole process, and it's a very tedious process and laborious process doing by many workers working in the factories. So in other way I can say, when we talk about fiber to fabric, the first thing you have to keep in mind, we can make fiber from fabric. Okay, we can't make fabric from fiber. That means this thing is possible, but fabric से fiber कभी नहीं बनेगा. Fiber से fabric would be possible. So first thing you have to memorize in your mind. Second thing, we just wear different type of clothes. Like in summer we love to wear cotton, and in winter we love to wear woolen clothes. So varieties of clothes are very enhances day by day. But now first what we will discuss in this chapter, I will introduction. Okay, then fiber and fabric, types of fiber, animal and so that means we just give the introduction, after that fiber to fabric, and then we will discuss types of fibers, and then animal and plant sources of fiber. So let's start with the fiber and fabric. So the first term, that is fiber. Okay, that is fiber. So as I told you earlier, a substance or material, okay, a substance or material that is obtained from animal and plant fiber. Okay, animal and plant fiber. So you have to clear the definition of fiber. A substance or a material that is obtained from animal and plant fiber से जो obtain होता है, that is called as fiber. Okay. Now the second definition is fabric. Okay. The second definition is fabric. When we discuss about fabric, okay, the tiny strands of threads woven together. Okay, woven together. That means जब हम tiny strands of threads को इकट्ठा wove करते हैं, इकट्ठा उन्हें करते हैं, that means we will make a final product, that is fabric. Okay, so now we will get to know about fiber and fabric. Now we will discuss about types of fiber. Okay, types of fiber. Okay, so the major fiber types is natural fiber, and the second one is man-made fiber. Okay, so types of fiber में हम distinguish कर रहे हैं. First is natural fiber and second is man-made fiber. Now further they are classified, and we will discuss the classification here. Okay, the first one is plant, second one is animal, and the third one is neutral. There is no example of mineral, and in the example of man-made is, that is rayon. Okay, I will give one example here. when I describe the man-made fiber later, I will give you some more example. Okay. Now we will start with the natural fiber. Okay. Now we will start with the natural fiber. So as its name suggests, natural means it comes from nature. You have to memorize this thing. It comes from nature. When it comes from nature, it is very expensive. It is very expensive. So you have to memorize this thing about natural fiber. Okay. It doesn't under control human, and it doesn't make obtained in factories. That means it comes from nature, and for this nature demands many sources. We have to complete their demands. Okay. Nature and expensive. After that, natural fiber are further categorized as I explained you. That is plant fiber, animal fiber, and mineral. Okay. So when we talk about animal and plant, okay, plant fiber, that means the fiber we get from plants, the fiber we get from plants, the fiber we get from animals. From animals we will get, you all know, wool and silk, and that is cotton and jute. Okay. So it is about natural fiber. Now we will discuss artificial fiber. Artificial, that means it is under human control. The first thing you have to write, that is under human control, and it is very cheap. Okay, like natural fiber is very expensive, but it is very cheap. And after that, artificial fiber examples क्या होंगे इसके? Rayon, nylon and polyester. Okay, so these are the three examples of artificial fiber. Now we will discuss about the sources of plant and animal fiber. Like we explained, the fiber obtained from plant. Okay, the fiber obtained from plant, that is cotton. The first one is cotton. When we talk about cotton we love to wear in summer because it absorbs sweating and they keep us our body, that is cool. So that means the first thing we write about cotton, they keep us cool. They keep us cool. The first thing होगी. Second thing is good absorbent of heat. That means good absorbent of heat, we can explain that it will absorb our sweat. Okay, so it is about cotton, and we love to wear cotton in summer season. We don't wear cotton clothes in summer season because cotton keep us cool. Okay, now we will discuss about how we obtain cotton. How we obtain cotton. Process to obtain cotton. So there are multiple steps we can choose over the process of cotton. Okay, the first process is picking, then it is ginning, and then it is spinning. When we talk about picking, that means cotton balls picked from We will pick the cotton balls from hand. Now I will describe the first process, that is picking. Picking means we have to pick something. Okay, that means cotton balls we pick from hand from cotton plant. कॉटन प्लांट से हम कॉटन बॉल्स को निकालते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑन मैच्योरिंग वी ओपन कॉटन बॉल्स. ओके, मैच्योर होने पर हम कॉटन बॉल्स को ओपन कर देते हैं. द सेकेंड प्रोसेस इज आफ्टर पिकिंग after process that is ginning. Ginning means the separation of cotton seeds from cotton plant. Okay, cotton plant by combing. So it's about ginning, the separation of cotton seeds from cotton plants by combing. Okay, and the last process is spinning. We will spin them. The third process is yarn को हम क्या करते हैं, yarn we will get spun. हम उसे spun कर लेते हैं, that means spinning कर लेते हैं. That is the last process, that is spinning. Basically in ancient times we use hand, but now we have so many machines and we touch with the technology. So in 21st century we use machine rather than we use lot of labor in them. Now we will talk about the process of cotton. Now we will talk about jute. When we talk about jute, like since our childhood, when our grandfather and grandmother went to any shop, they just take a jute bag, because in earlier times the jute bags are very in trend. So they are made of gunny bags, shopping bags, and many other stuffs are made from jute. So we can make gunny bags. Okay, first thing we can make gunny bags, ropes and rugs. We can make ropes and rugs. Now the second thing we will do, that is process. And the process is, the first process is same. Pick the jute from stem of jute plant. Okay, stem of jute plant. The first thing is pick the jute from stem of jute plant, and then on reaching to its flowering stage, we keep them in water. Keep them in water. That means first we will do pick the jute from the jute of the jute plant, then on reaching to its flowering stage we keep them in water and we will get the jute. So it's not a lengthy process, as you can see, as I explained you. Now we will talk about wool. Okay, that is animal fiber. Okay, that is animal fiber. So when we talk about animal fiber, the wool, it comes from wool comes from sheep, because we just remove the upper skin layer, upper thin layer of sheep, but it is a very harmless process, it is a very painless process. We never harm the animal. because we want wool that they keep us warm. They keep us warm. Okay, we can make woolen cloths and gloves. Okay, we can make woolen clothes and gloves. Now we will talk about the last topic, that is silk. So when we talk about silk, silk is obtained from the silkworm. Okay, silk is a very expensive material, very expensive. Okay, you just memorize the main point, that is expensive. Second thing, it obtained from silkworm. Okay, expensive है, obtained from silkworm. And after that we can make sarees and gown. So silk is obtained from the larva of the caterpillar, and then the whole process will take place. So what we will read in this chapter, we just summarize the chapter. So we will learn about the fiber and fabric. As I told you that we can make fabric from the fiber. We can't make fabric from fiber from the fabric. Okay, we can fiber से fabric बना सकते हैं, fabric से fiber नहीं बना सकते. Second thing हमने इनको explain किया, दो चीज़ों में हमने explain किया. First is natural, and then we will explain them in artificial. Okay, artificial, or you can say man-made. So when we talk about natural, that means plant, animal and mineral. Okay, and then we will explain. Then plant में आया था हमारे पास cotton, and then wool and silk. So it's all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.